Why do 75% of activists face threats or arrests during political protests? Here's a story that will make you think twice. Bishop Kevin Nyamakanga, a prominent activist, has become the latest target in a disturbing trend. As Zimbabwe prepares for the SADC summit, the bishop has revealed chilling details about threats he's received. An anonymous caller, claiming to be from the president's office, has demanded his presence for questioning. This isn't an isolated incident. The Central Intelligence Organization, or CIO, is known for its heavy-handed tactics against political dissent. Threats and intimidation tactics are designed to silence those who dare to speak out. Freedom of speech and the right to protest are fundamental human rights. Yet in Zimbabwe, these rights are under relentless attack. The situation surrounding Bishop Nyamakanga underscores the urgent need for international attention and intervention. As the SADC summit approaches, eyes are on Zimbabwe. Will the international community stand up for activists like Bishop Nyamakanga? Only time will tell. Stay informed, stay engaged.